Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook kabobs on the stove. First, prepare your ingredients by cutting meat and vegetables into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Next, marinate your chosen ingredients for at least 30 minutes to infuse them with delicious flavor. Finally, carefully thread your prepared pieces onto skewers, leaving a small space between each item. This allows for better heat circulation during cooking. For pan frying, begin by heating 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, carefully place your prepared kabobs into the skillet. Be sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary. Allow each side to cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, turning them until all sides are beautifully browned and the ingredients are cooked through to your liking. Another excellent stovetop method is broiling. Start by preheating your oven broiler to a high setting. This creates intense heat for a great sear. Arrange your kabobs on a foil-lined baking sheet, which makes cleanup much easier. Place the sheet under the broiler and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Remember to turn them once to ensure even cooking and a lovely char on all sides. Once your kabobs are cooked, it's important to check for doneness. For poultry, ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After cooking, let the kabobs rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in more tender and flavorful meat. Finally, garnish with fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon for a bright, finishing touch before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.